Are you concerned with the woman's body count? Now, if you're just joining us again, if you're a cuck, you don't mind a woman loose, she was ran through, then more power to you, man. Whatever decision you decide to make, do it like a man. Okay? If you understand women, you understand the ability and the simp dollar, you more than likely you're never gonna find out what she did or what she's actually doing right now under your nose. What do you do, AV? What do you focus on, AV? You don't search for shit. But you don't ignore it either. You continuously keep your eye on the prize. Who is that? Just go look at yourself in the motherfucking mirror. When you keep your eye on the prize, which is yourself, you focus on yourself. If she decides to crash out and jump out the window, someone else will be there to replace her. You're going to have more things to focus on that are actually important as opposed to what she could be doing. At the end of the day, man, if a woman decides to crash out and leave you and you got your shit together, you have to understand there are more women like her and less men like you.
Dating has never been more competitive, with social media being a gift and a curse for guys who want to date and find women they're compatible with. Men are having a hard time meeting the demands women think they deserve, while women can't seem to find a man they want and need. Patriarchy Poker will teach men how to be more confident, control their emotions, and know when to hold or fold with a woman they match with. It's time to start embracing uncomfortable truths in order to grow into the man that women want to be with and other men want to be like. Go to patriarchypoker.com to get our relationship and dating playing cards or committed relationship playing cards. Because life's a gamble, so play like a man.